In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate easily from Skype to Microsoft Teams. In Skype, you will receive a notification which will prompt you to sign in to Microsoft Teams. Select Start using Teams to begin downloading or to open Teams if already installed. If you don't have the Teams app installed yet, you can download and install it. Alternatively, you can use Teams on the web on desktop. Open the Teams app or Teams on the web to sign in with your Skype account. Then, on the welcome screen, select Get Started to proceed. If prompted, verify your profile picture and choose Continue. You can change your profile name or picture at any time after setup by tapping on your profile on the top right of Teams. If prompted, verify your first name and last name and then select Confirm to continue. This will be your profile name in Teams and across your other Microsoft 365 apps. Your Teams free account is set up. You can now view your contacts and chat. To learn more about how to call or chat, we suggest viewing the Learn to Use section. And that's how easy to migrate easily from Skype to Microsoft Teams.